Well, it's almost time to start the new chapter of this Dreamcatcher journey with the new EP, right? But before that, of course, we cannot continue without watching this special clip. This is again an official single and it's titled Over the Sky. Like the first shot that I see right now, it looks so interesting. So let's just hear this. Yeah, I was eager to hear this and I'm really interested to see what they are going to do with us right now. My name is always Eugene and I hope you guys doing well, and let's just start this together. Yeah. Okay, for now this looks beautiful. And they are just smiling, enjoying everything. Oh my gosh, nah, like, come on. They are not escaping the allegation of anime openings. Cause this is too good. Their songs have to be used in the anime. Especially this one, come on. Okay. I love the melodies. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so hype. Imagine just hearing this like in the morning. What a great way to start your day. I mean, I will do that for sure tomorrow. Let me make this louder for myself, because this is too good. Yeah, I'm digging this. It's growing on me. Wow. What is this swag? Come on. This is powerful. And the message is beautiful too again. Wow. Woo. It looks like almost like they are using sign language or something like that, because with the finger movements, and oh my gosh, this is just slapping me in the face with the sound. Come on. Wow. They really know what they are doing with this, because the song is so powerful and energetic. Man, what did I just hear? There has to be some edits right online, like animated music videos with some anime shots and this song in the background, because it would be so perfect and so good. Okay, and the next mini album is titled The End of Nightmare, and it was released on February 13th in 2019. Interesting. And the name of the title track is Pyre. I don't know how to pronounce it. Man, I'm intrigued. Diamond, and There Was No One Left, Daydream, and with the intro, of course. I mean, yeah, like their special clips are always on point, and even though they are really simplistic, but they still manage to deliver every time. So I'm always happy to see special clips, and even without that, their songs are always too good too. But still, special clips are my favorite ones after the music videos, of course. Yeah. And yeah, guys, I'll see you already in my next video where we will start the new 4th mini album, The End of the Nightmare. Yeah. And before that, stay healthy, drink a lot of water, and Don't forget to listen to Dreamcatcher. Yeah, peace.